Hey, how's it going? My name is Devin. I'm with Infinity Home Improvement. I'm one of the gutter helmet representatives here in the state of Michigan, and we're going to be talking about gutter helmet today and how gutter helmet's installed. And then we're also going to talk about another exclusive product, Snap Lock, the way that we install our gutters. So as we're taking a look at gutter helmet here, we're actually going to come up onto the pitch of your roof. We come back about 6 inches here. And underneath the gutter helmet panel, right at the very top, we have a water sealant adhesive bead, where the gutter helmet will actually adhere to the top of your shingles, and then the screws go through the top of the panel into the decking of your roof, and that water sealant bead seals up the holes there. We make sure that we do not void your shingle warranty. So if you have a 25-year, 15-year, or 50-year warranty, we're going to make sure that that warranty is still active for your roof there. And the way gutter helmet works, as you see, we have water will come off of the shingles onto the roof, and it will hit our horizontal stiffened ribs, which is like a stair-step design, and that helps slow all of that water down as it's coming off of the roof. We also have a patented textured surface. And what that textured surface did was it created 63% more surface area, where the water actually clings to the surface of the gutter helmet. And then it comes down to our nose forward design. As you can see here, the nose of the gutter helmet panel comes out past the edge of your gutter, which is very important. With that, all of the debris, leaves, aggregate from your shingles, pine needles, whatever it may be, will fall off to the ground. And because of the surface tension, all of that water will wrap around the nose and flow directly into your gutter. Now, the heaviest rainfall in the United States was 11.3 inches of rain an hour. Gutter helmet is recorded to collect over 22 inches of rain an hour. More than enough, almost double than what is necessary. And underneath, we can see we have our reinforced aluminum alloy support brackets that will come up onto the pitch of your roof, and they piece in to the front of your gutter here, and that gives the gutter helmet system and your gutters extra strength and stability. With those brackets in your gutter helmet system, every square foot of gutter helmet takes up to 85 pounds of pressure. I weigh 160 pounds. I could literally stand on your gutters with gutter helmet. So here in the state of Michigan, we have heavy snow, heavy ice, or say a branch were to even fall on your gutters, you're protecting your gutters from future damage as well. And as we take a closer look at the paint finish on gutter helmet, we actually have a Permalife paint finish. This paint finish will not chip, crack, fade, or blister. This paint finish protects against chalk fade, salt water, and acid rain. Obviously here in Michigan, we don't need to worry about salt water or acid rain, but it's always good to know that this paint finish will not chip, crack, fade, or blister for the longevity of the product. You can have this on your home for over 50 years. It'll be the exact same color. And the nice thing that we do with gutter helmet is we have an assortment of colors on a color swatch where we blend it in with the colors of the shingles on your roof. So really it looks like an extension of your roof. So from the curb view, looking up at the roof, and the eaves of your home, it's aesthetically pleasing as well. And if we were to come over here and look at the ends, we always make sure we put in our end caps, and that just prevents any birds, chipmunks, squirrels from trying to move into your gutters, making sure that you've got those clean and secure gutters. And if we come to the back here, we have what we call is Snap Lock gutter installations. Now, the way that gutters have been installed long before I've been alive involve putting holes in your gutters. And with this being the water disbursement product on your home, if you put holes in them, it's almost defeating the entire purpose of having gutters. Now, you can have spikes or furrows, which are the long nails that go through the front of your gutter, through the back, and into your fascia boards, or you could have hidden hangers, which are brackets, come in here, the screws go through the back of the brackets into your fascia board. With those techniques, you're gonna have water that gets in through the gutters and it gets into your fascia boards. You wind up with rotted out fascia boards, and wood rot will travel and it'll get into the decking your shingles sit on, and it can get into roof rafters as well. So we came up with a design called Snap Lock where you actually don't have to put holes in your gutters. So there's a truss system here that would get screwed into your fascia board directly underneath the drip edge of your roof, and the gutters lock right into place. And there will be extra support brackets that come in here that piece into the back of the gutter to the front to give it extra strength and stability on the nose. Water runs off of the roof, comes down past the drip edge, and falls directly into your gutters. You don't have any water that can get in behind your gutters, and we have a lifetime warranty on the materials involved with that system as well.